Hello everyone. The sun is not just a star, it's the source of energy that keeps all the organisms alive. How? You already know that, but let us revise. The green plants take in carbon dioxide and water from the environment and produce glucose, so it is not dependent on other living organisms for food. Hence, its nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. But the solar energy is the source of energy required for this process. We shall be learning this whole process in depth soon. Though plant can make its own food, it is dependent on the environment for its raw materials and many other substances required for its growth. And carbon dioxide is one such material. Let us do a simple experiment to find out if carbon dioxide is necessary for the process of photosynthesis or not. We take a small healthy plant and keep it in dark for 3-4 days. This is to ensure that it uses up all the reserved food. Now, we take little potassium hydroxide solution in a small bottle. Next, we insert half of a leaf into the bottle through a spitted cork. Remember, don't plug the leaf. Use Vaseline to make sure no air enters the bottle through the split. Now, we keep it in sunlight for 2-3 hours and then we plug the leaf. It's time for the starch test to find out which part of the leaf could perform photosynthesis. We put the leaf in methyl spirit in a test tube. Then we put it in water and boil it. It will remove chlorophyll from the leaf. Now we place the leaf on a petri dish and add a few drops of tincture iodine on it. The presence of starch is indicated by blue-black color. The part of the leaf which was exposed to air has starch, but the part of leaf which was inside the bottle has almost no starch as it couldn't get carbon dioxide. And there is a reason for it. Potassium hydroxide, which was put inside the bottle, absorbs carbon dioxide. So you see, there was no carbon dioxide inside the bottle and hence the leaf part inside the bottle couldn't perform photosynthesis. So this implies that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. You know, this experiment is also known as Moll's half-leaf experiment, which shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for the process of photosynthesis.